Welcome back to reInvent 2022. I am joined by another fellow hero. This is Steve. Steve, give a quick intro to the crowd.
Hi, so I'm Steve. I come from Singapore and I'm the community hero in Singapore. I run the user group as well. In my day job, I am in a Horangi Cyber Security company. So I'm on the product engineering side and running as an engineering manager. Yep.
Wow, how big is the meetup group there?
The meetup group, we have about 7,000 members that we outreach to.
That's awesome.
On average, during every meetup, about 100 plus folks will come down.
Wow, that's cool. Do you run every month?
Yeah, we do it every month. We have been doing every month, even during the pandemic times.
That's awesome. I mean, way to stick with it, because that's one of the things we love about being community heroes, right?
Yeah.
It's having everyone come together.
Exactly.
So speaking of all being together, we've been here for 4 days now at the reInvent. What is one announcement that's gotten you excited this week?
I think for me, there was a couple of announcements that was like touched the heart.
Yeah.
The one that I think I felt the most about was actually the introduction of the AWS security lake.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, I come from a company that does a lot of integrations with security tools and logs and stuff like that, right? So having some place to really ease the onboarding and having AWS actually manage the whole data lake process of getting all the logs, which is no mean feat by itself, and just exposing that in a way where we just do less heavy lifting and just more of the value addition that we want to give towards our customers in that sense.
Well, you need to take every step you can to make security easier.
Exactly.
Because if it's easier, you will do it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right. And I mean, there was some other things that they announced with that, like with the, I think they have a common format, a common schema.
Yeah.
So like, if you know, with any security tools, they never decided on a single schema, right? Which is painfully annoying. So he actually took like Amazon.
It sounds like an XKCD cartoon right
yes,
there.
Yes. So I'm glad there's this kind of standardization, and I think more importantly, it's really where the I think AWS is taking the direction of moving, like reducing the friction for adoption, for having you to go to market quite fast. Like other announcement, I think that was quite interesting for me. With Redshift, with Aurora, you have zero ETL with Redshift.
Yeah, zero ETL.
Right. So I mean, for those companies who run very lean and do have huge transactional workloads on Aurora, but go to a kind of a storage where they have need to require like a data warehouse for BI purposes, right?
Yeah.
So those are the kind of things that has been on my impression for the past few days.
Awesome. So what do you hope to actually take back to you when you go home?
So I think for me myself, the last time I came to reInvent was 4 years ago, and that was pre-pandemic. During the pandemic, the one thing I would like to take away home is like just encourage people to meet again. Right, the energy level over here is super fantastic. It is so good to come back here to meet everyone in person, because this was something that we missed during the last few years. Right, so now since like the whole world or most of the world has opened up, right, just make use of the opportunity to contribute to your own communities. Just gather together, and I'm pretty sure that we can go back to normal. Right, and that's really the one thing I would like to just encourage everyone to do so.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Steve, thanks for being here and hanging out with me and chatting real quick about what's going on this week. I also look forward to going back and being with my community and filling up my bucket here at reInvent. So we'll talk to you then hopefully next year.
Okay. Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.